Okay, caught a lionfish there. There's one more down there. That's a big one, eh?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. I gotta go down and get the other one. Okay, get some gloves. No, get some gloves. Yeah, here we go. There's a good sized lobster.
Nice.
Sandy spotted him, I got him. There was actually two, but I missed one, and it's really deep. It's really deep now. I mean, that's as deep as I can go. And it's gotta be 20 feet, 25 feet, and trying to stay down there and maneuver. It's not just going 20 down and coming back up. You gotta stay down there for a bit. Anyways, that's a good one, and we're gonna eat him tonight.
Good job.
And
yum yum.
and we will get another one. Let's see if we can get another one. That was awesome. Good find, Sam. So we're gonna move to another spot now because, again, the sign of blood or anything like that, we don't want to attract sharks. We're in a shark area, like, you know, known for hammerheads and whatnot. So we're gonna move on and get something, another one. All right, let's put him out of his misery. Bye-bye. So we're having a guest for dinner tonight, and these gloves don't fit me, but I got this lobster. Unfortunately, we only ate the tail, and we gotta twist them off. Pull it out like that, all the meat, okay? And then we take one of its tentacles, throw him in. The turtles, they like that stuff. Oh, this guy's got... Got to cut him off a little bit, and then we shove this up his poop chute, and it takes out the oh, look at the guts we got all over the place. Where's a pair of scissors or something?
I'll get that out.
Oh, there we go. So right in here, because these are sharp little barbs. There we go.
Okay.
And see, then it comes out. Ew. All right, and that's all its guts and poop now, and now we can barbecue that, and that'll be a nice little meal there. Okay, and this is going to go into the water, and then we gotta splash this all down with.
I'll do it with
hose
salt
here.
water first.
Do it with salt water first. Okay, get me a bucket here. That's a great idea. And we gotta conserve on fresh water. That's a good idea. Now guys, I'm gonna tell you right now, there was 2 of them there. I missed the other one.
Give me the bucket so I can rinse it out instead
Yes,
of you
dear. Yes, dear.
rinsing it
Yes,
in.
dear. Okay, so there was 2 of them there, guys, and I missed the one. Yeah, it bounced off a shell. Honestly, it just bounced off a shell. I'm going back tomorrow to get them.
What bounced off a shell, John?
The spear.
Thank you.
You know, I was down about 20 feet, and yeah, I missed it. So I'm going back tomorrow. They've got to have brothers and sisters there.